part of the topic application of derivative in economics. One problem is given regarding the maximum profit, price per unit and total profit at a certain level of production. So in this problem, a product can be manufactured at a total cost of x square by x square by 100 plus 100x plus 40, where x is the number of units produced. The price at which each unit can be sold is given by P equal to 200 minus x by 400. So here price function is given and also the total cost function is given at the same time. Determine the production level at which the profit is maximum. Profit जहाँ पर maximum होगा उसका level of production क्या होना चाहिए? What is the price per unit? Per unit market price कितना होगा? And total profit at the level of that production. Total profit भी क्या होगा? तीन पार्ट है, इस तीन पार्ट को निकालना पड़ेगा. तो first whatever is given, price function and also cost function. So cost function Cx equal to x squared by 100 plus 100x plus 40. This is the cost function. This is the cost function. And revenue function. Revenue function. Revenue function Rx equal to price into quantity. Price into quantity. That is x. X is the quantity. So price into quantity, price function has been given in the problem, which is 200 minus x by 400. Price into quantity x equal to 200x minus x squared by 400. This is the revenue function. Now at break-even point, and break-even point Rx equal to Cx, and the profit would be revenue minus cost. The profit would be revenue minus cost. Here break-even point did not come out, but the profit to be maximum. So in order to maximize profit, we have to find out the profit first. Profit को पहले निकालना पड़ेगा. तो प्रॉफिट को जब निकालेंगे, इसका तरीका क्या है? इसका तरीका है रेवेन्यू माइनस कॉस्ट. दैट इज Rx profit pi equal to revenue minus cost. Profit pi equal to revenue minus cost equal to revenue function is 200x minus x squared by 400. This is the revenue and minus cost function. Cost function is x squared by 100 प्लस माइनस में माइनस हो जाएगा 100x minus 40 equal to 200x minus 100x. That is 100x minus 400 LCM. 400 LCM, then x square minus 4x square minus 40 equal to 100x minus plus thrice x square by 400 minus 40. This is the profit function. Profit function pi x. Profit function pi x equal to profit function pi x. Pi x equal to 100x plus thrice x square minus 40. Now, in order to maximize the profit, it should make first order derivative. Now, cost function is given x squared by x plus 100x plus 40, and also revenue function has been found, which is 200 minus x by 400 into x. that is price into quantity, that is 200 x minus x into x square by 400. So revenue function and cost function found. Now we have to find out profit. What is the profit? Profit is revenue minus cost, that is sales minus cost is the profit. So profit pi x equal to revenue function minus cost function, that is 200x minus x square by 400 minus x square by 100 minus 100x minus 40. So 200x minus 100x, that is 100x, minus, you should make LCM of this part, that is 400 is the LCM. So x square minus 4x square, that is, it should be 100x minus 5x square minus 40. 100x minus 5x square by 400 minus 40. This is the profit. Now, just profit has been found, then we have to maximize the profit. प्रॉफिट को मैक्सिमाइज करना पड़ेगा. प्रॉफिट को मैक्सिमाइज करने के लिए इसमें डेरिवेटिव का एप्लीकेशन करना पड़ेगा. टू मैक्सिमाइज द प्रॉफिट, to maximize profit, we have ddx of pi x, ddx of pi x equal to 0. To maximize profit, we have ddx pi x equal to 0. That is ddx of 100x minus 5x square by 400 minus 40 equal to 0. That is 100 of ddx of x, 100 of ddx of x minus 5 by 400 ddx of x square, ddx of x square minus ddx of 40 equal to 0, or 100 ddx of x means 1 minus 5 by 400 into 2x, or should become the base and 1 should be subtracted from the power, minus 0 equal to 0, or 100 minus x by 40 equal to 0. 100 minus x by 40 equal to 0, or x by 40 equal to 100, x equal to 4000, x equal to 4000. That is required unit should be 4000 to maximize the profit, subject to second order condition is fulfilled. Therefore to maximize profit, 4000 units should be produced. To maximize profit, 4000 units should be produced, subject to second order condition is fulfilled. To maximize profit, 4000 units should be produced, subject to second order condition is fulfilled. That is d square pi x by dx square must be less than 0. less than 0. This is the second order condition. That is d square by x by dx square must be less than 0. Now left hand side, therefore ddx of 100 minus x by 40, 100 minus x by 40 equal to ddx of 100, that is 0, minus ddx of x 1 by 40, ddx of x plus 1 by 40 equal to minus 1 by 40, which is less than 0. Therefore second order condition is satisfied. Therefore second order condition is satisfied. Second order condition is satisfied. So it is proved that if manufacturer produces 4,000 units, he will earn maximum profit. Now in second case, what is the price per unit and total profit at the level of production? What is the price per unit? So put the value, required price, P equal to 200 minus 4,000 by 400 equal to 200 minus 10 equal to 190. So required price would be rupees 190. Therefore required price rupees 190 and total profit at the level of production. Now we have to find out total profit. We have to find out total profit. That is, the value of x should be substituted in the profit function. Profit function pi x equal to profit function pi x now total profit pi x equal to 100x minus 5x square by 400 minus 40, that is 100x, 100 into the value of x is 4,000 minus 5 into 4,000 square by 400 minus 40 equal to 4 lakh minus 5,8 to 40, 4,000 into 4,000, that is 160 lakh. 4,000 into 4,000, that is 16,000,000 by 80 minus 40 equal to 10 cancel, 8 2 is 16, that is 4 lakh minus 2 lakh minus 40, 4 lakh minus 2 lakh minus 40 That is 4 lakh minus 2 lakh, that is 2 lakh minus 40. That is total profit should be 1,99,960. 1,99,960 total profit should be. Therefore, amount of total profit equal to rupees 1,99,960. This is the total amount of profit.